everyone. So we are starting this vlog off with me doing my makeup because wouldn't that just be fitting? So we are officially going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge thing today. So you are going to be meeting Alyssa, who Alyssa is actually my boyfriend's cousin, and she's literally like the nicest person on earth. So she and Nasi, who you guys have met so many times at this point, are coming over at 4. It's like 3:10 right now, so I'm just kind of quickly getting myself together here. If my eyes look so red right now, it's because my brother actually just came over with their dog. They have 2 dogs, by the way. They're like the cutest little thing ever, but I've somehow developed like allergies from them, which is so sad. But so my allergies are like flaring up, and I of course decided that it would be a good idea to rub the shit out of my eyes. So they're like swollen and irritated and super duper scratchy right now, so just disregard that. I'm going in, by the way, with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Oh, the light's coming in and out. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Caramel Love. This foundation, I've talked about it so many times, so I think I'm just gonna like speed through this of me kind of just quickly doing my makeup. My phone is kind of going off because they're probably texting me.
Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, oh no, you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Okay, makeup is done. I ended up going into the Pop Beauty Basic B, their permanent powder liquid lipstick. It's so good, and I went with like a lighter color in the center, and it looks absolutely pretty. So it is currently like 3:30, so I'm just waiting for them to come. I think what I'm going to do is just go downstairs, set everything up, because we have to like actually cook the noodles. So I think I will vlog all of that as well. So I will come back when they are here. Bye! You just let it be. Call me up, say let's go get a drink. Look who decided to finally show up. So this is Nasi. You guys know her all the time. She's here all the time. And this is Alyssa. You guys have never met her. This is actually my boyfriend's cousin. She's the nicest person ever.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, her cousin too, but you know, that's her cousin too. So this is the packaging. So we're gonna be, she actually gave us 3. We don't need 3, we're just gonna make 1, because I think 1 will be enough. Right? She's having like a panic attack with the faucet.
Is it off?
Yeah. No, it's not off. It's running.
Turning where?
I have you guys on like a coffee box, so hopefully it doesn't fall. So how do we make this? She's the one who makes this. She's made this before, she's eaten this before, so Alyssa's going to have it. Well, she's going to cook it for us. Okay.
We need a pot. Pot?
Okay. Like a big pot?
This is good? That's fine, yeah. Okay. And just pour it.
You really hate me. I don't hate you. I just like, you know, don't love you. I'm joking. Ow. That hurt.
Your makeup looks nice.
Thank you.
Your skin looks like really smooth.
Oh, thank you. I mean, that's it actually. She just has to ruin it.
Well, you ruined it when you said you didn't love me.
Oh, that's true.
It doesn't smell through the pot. So this is sesame and seaweed. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you put it on at the end.
okay.
Okay. You can break one and leave the other one like this.
Okay. Oh no! Yo, one time I was over here, I think it was at your New Year's Eve party. I was mad drunk. I was over here like, yo, where's the garbage? And the whole time she's just there watching me do it.
I was like, let me wait a minute. Let me see if she's gonna figure it out.
Funny pieces of that. I was sneaking to the kitchen just to eat the shrimp.
Kind of already.
Oh no, make sure you wash.
That's not what I thought it was gonna look like.
It looks like blood.
Please don't tell me you're recording this. Of course you are. I was supposed to leave some of the water in the pot and I forgot.
Oh. Ay.
Put less in my bowl.
Yo, no. We're not doing this right now.
That's good, Alyssa. You don't gotta.
No, it's all even. Miss. Alright, that's your bowl, Alyssa.
Oh, it's all even. This one is mine. You just dad rearranged my bowl. I chose my bowl and you rearranged it.
Listen, we are a family.
I feel like someone's gonna burst out in family. I was really about to.
In my head, I was like, family. So, we have 3 bowls here. They're all equally filled. And we also have 3 little bowls of ice cream, just in case. I think we can put them right here so you can see it. We also have water, but they say water doesn't like
If it
do
makes
it
it
worse.
worse. Makes it worse.
Okay, so alright, ready?
Grab
You go
napkins,
first.
Hold on.
Oh yes, we do need napkins. My nose is already running. What are you telling me to go first for? You always try to get me to go first. You always try to kill me. You always say yes.
That's true.
So you always be trying to die.
Well, this one, I said no like a million times for this one.
Okay, so we're just gonna all do it at the same time.
I don't want to do this.
Alright, let's go.
How was it? Mm-hmm.
It's actually good.
Oh, but it's spicy. Mm-hmm. Especially chokes in the corner.
Oh, my eyes are running.
I hate you.
I probably should have worn like waterproof mascara.
I hate you. I hate you.
Oh my god.
I hate you.
Alyssa, why are you so quiet?
Trying to breathe.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck? This is hot.
Mm-hmm. My heart is really burning.
Damn, she's been out on her floor.
Don't drink the water, it'll make it worse. It's really good though. It's really good.
You already going for the ice cream?
Mm-hmm. I'm having a sunflower.
Oh shit.
It's really hot.
Is it good thing I put my AC on? Are you okay? No! Oh my god. Yo, I feel like she's making it worse for me.
Oh, I already have heartburn.
To be honest though, it tastes good.
Really good.
But it's just like hot.
It has like this lingering like heat.
Yeah.
Her whole leg is shaking.
Good call on the air conditioning.
I really
hot flashes over here.
want to drink the water.
Go for the ice cream first. The dairy's supposed to like numb the pain, kind of.
Oh shit, yo, hurry up, she's about to finish.
What?
I'm trying to like win. Alyssa, Yo, first of all, I don't even understand because when we go out, she's the last person to finish eating. She's literally the last person to finish eating. How is she not? Sorry. I feel like she actually has juice in hers.
Who, Nasi? Oh, no wonder. Ooh.
Oh my god. Are you for real?
Uh-huh.
Oh shit.
Okay, ice cream. I'm like crying.
Yo, I'm about to lose.
Waheeda, catch up.
She's done. She's legit done.
Your noodles are mad red.
I'm done. Show your bowl.
It tasted so good though. Like I'll do that again just because it tasted good. You not do that. Ice cream really hard.
Done. Guys, it's hot.
Ooh.
More ice cream. Oh my god, the ice cream really does it.
Mm-hmm.
It just suits. Oh my god. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? My mouth is so hot, it's like salivating on its own.
My tongue feels like it wants to hell.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope it was funny and I hope it was entertaining for you guys. We literally all finished, so you cannot say that we didn't commit and do this. So thank you so much for watching. I will be linking both of their Instagrams down below, so do follow them. Again, Nasi and Alyssa. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!